Welcome to the Faroe Islands, a breathtaking archipelago in the North Atlantic Ocean. Part of the Kingdom of Denmark, the Faroe Islands are known for their stunning landscapes, rich cultural heritage, and unique way of life. Join us as we explore this incredible destination. From its dramatic cliffs and pristine fjords to its vibrant local traditions and thriving fishing industry. Discover why the Faroe Islands are a must-visit spot for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. The Faroe Islands, an autonomous territory within the Kingdom of Denmark, boast a unique blend of stunning natural beauty and rich cultural heritage. Located in the North Atlantic Ocean, the archipelago consists of 18 volcanic islands characterized by dramatic cliffs, pristine fjords, and rolling green hills. The islands are home to a population of around 53,000 people, who enjoy a high standard of living and a close-knit community lifestyle. Economically, the Faroe Islands are heavily reliant on the fishing industry, which accounts for over 90% of the archipelago's exports. The rich fishing grounds surrounding the islands are among the most productive in the world, providing a vital source of income and employment for the Faroese people. In recent years, the Faroe Islands have also been diversifying their economy by investing in aquaculture, tourism, and renewable energy. Culturally, the Faroe Islands have a vibrant heritage that reflects both Nordic and Celtic influences. Faroese music, dance, and literature play a crucial role in preserving and celebrating the island's unique identity. The Faroese language, a descendant of Old Norse, is widely spoken alongside Danish. Traditional festivals, such as Olavsøka, the national holiday celebrated at the end of July, feature boat races, music, and other festivities, drawing locals and visitors alike. The island's remote location and small population contribute to a strong sense of community. Faroese society places a high value on family and local traditions, which are evident in their communal lifestyle. Despite modern influences, the Faroese people have managed to maintain their cultural heritage and a way of life closely connected to nature. Environmentally conscious, the Faroe Islands are committed to sustainability and conservation. Initiatives to protect marine ecosystems, reduce carbon emissions, and promote renewable energy sources are actively pursued. The government aims to achieve energy independence from fossil fuels by 2030, leveraging the island's abundant wind and tidal resources. The political relationship between the Faroe Islands and Denmark is defined by the Home Rule Act of 1948 and the Faroese Home Rule Act of 2005. These acts grant the Faroe Islands significant autonomy, allowing them to govern most of their internal affairs independently. The Faroe Islands are a remarkable part of the Kingdom of Denmark, offering a blend of natural beauty, economic vitality, and cultural richness. Their autonomous status allows them to preserve their unique identity while benefiting from the broader Danish framework. As the islands continue to evolve, they remain a testament to the resilience and adaptability of their people, ensuring a prosperous and sustainable future. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Faroe Islands. We hope you enjoyed discovering the stunning landscapes, rich culture, and unique charm of this incredible destination. If you found this video inspiring, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment with your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing travel content. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel. Your support means the world to me. Now, sit back, relax, and continue watching this video with some soothing, relaxing music. Enjoy!